Hello, duck lovers. Today, we're diving into the amazing world of ducks. Ducks are found all over the planet. They love to swim in lakes, ponds, and rivers. From tiny eggs to fully grown adults, ducks have a fascinating life cycle. We'll journey through the 4 main stages of a duck's life. First, the egg stage, where it all begins. Then, the exciting hatching day. Watch fluffy ducklings grow and learn. Finally, see them become adult ducks. Get ready to learn about duck growth, behaviors, and fun facts. It's going to be a quacking good time. Our duck journey starts with a tiny egg. Mother ducks create cozy nests. They might choose tall grass or a spot near the water. The nest keeps the eggs safe and warm. A mother duck can lay many eggs, sometimes a dozen. She keeps them warm with her body. This is called incubation. It takes about a month for the ducklings to grow inside. Inside each egg, something amazing is happening. A tiny beak starts to form. Tiny wings and legs develop. Even the feathers begin to grow. It's like magic, but it's science. After weeks of waiting, it's hatching day. The duckling inside the egg is big and strong now. Using its tiny egg tooth, it pecks a small hole in the shell. This is called pipping. It takes a lot of effort to break free. The duckling pushes and pushes until it finally hatches. Wet and tired, the duckling emerges into the world. Newborn ducklings are covered in soft, fluffy down. They can't fly yet. They need to stay close to their mother for warmth and protection. The first few days are a busy time for ducklings. They quickly learn to walk and swim. Mother duck leads the way, keeping them safe. In the wild, ducklings eat insects, plants, and seeds. On farms, they might enjoy cracked corn and grains. All that food helps them grow big and strong. As the ducklings grow, their downy feathers are replaced. New waterproof feathers grow in. Now they're ready for all kinds of weather. Every week, the ducklings become stronger swimmers. They can dive for food and even play with their siblings. It's amazing how fast they learn. Section 5. Becoming adult ducks, masters of their world. As ducklings mature into juvenile ducks, they lose their fluffy down. This process, known as molting, is essential for their development. The soft, insulating down feathers are replaced by more robust feathers that will serve them well in their adult lives. They grow a full set of adult feathers. These new feathers are not only more durable, but also waterproof, which is crucial for their survival in wet environments. The transformation is quite remarkable, as they go from looking like fluffy balls of fur to sleek, elegant birds. Male and female ducks start to look different. This sexual dimorphism is most noticeable in their plumage. While females often have more subdued colors to help them blend into their surroundings, males usually sport brighter, more vibrant colors. Males often have brighter colors to attract mates. These striking colors and patterns play a crucial role during the mating season, helping males stand out and catch the eye of potential partners. The brighter and more colorful the male, the better his chances of finding a mate. Juvenile ducks become experts at foraging. They learn to identify various food sources, from plants and seeds to small insects and aquatic creatures. This skill is vital for their survival, as it ensures they get the necessary nutrients to grow and thrive. They use their bills to strain food from the water. This unique feeding technique allows them to filter out inedible debris and focus on nutritious morsels. Their bills are specially adapted for this purpose, making them efficient feeders in their aquatic habitats. Some ducks even dive underwater to catch fish. This behavior is more common in certain species, such as the merganser, which has a streamlined body and specialized bill for catching slippery prey. Diving ducks are fascinating to watch as they disappear beneath the surface and emerge with a catch. It takes several months for ducks to reach full adulthood. During this time, they undergo significant changes in their appearance, behavior, and skills. From learning to fly to mastering the art of foraging, each stage of their development is a step towards becoming a fully fledged adult. Then, they're ready to find a mate and start their own families. The cycle begins anew. Once they have paired up, ducks engage in various courtship behaviors, from synchronized swimming to elaborate displays of plumage. These rituals strengthen their bond and prepare them for the challenges of raising the next generation. From mallards to wood ducks, there are many beautiful duck species to discover. Each species has its own unique characteristics and behaviors, making the world of ducks incredibly diverse and fascinating. Whether you're a casual observer or a dedicated birdwatcher, there's always something new to learn and appreciate about these masters of their world. Section 6. How long do ducks live? Ducks have different lifespans depending on their species and environment. Wild ducks face more dangers than ducks raised on farms. On average, wild ducks live for 5 to 10 years, but some lucky ducks have been known to live for 20 years or more. Farm ducks with good care and protection can sometimes outlive their wild cousins. The oldest recorded duck was an Indian runner duck that lived to be an incredible 49 years old. Section 7. Fun facts about ducks, quacks and quirks. Ducks are full of surprises. Did you know that ducks sleep with one eye open? It's true. They can rest one half of their brain, while the other half stays alert for danger. Baby ducklings are known for imprinting on the first moving object they see, usually their mother. This helps them stay close and learn important survival skills. Ducks are also amazing egg layers. While a wild duck might lay a dozen eggs a year, some domesticated ducks can lay over 300 eggs annually. That's a lot of eggs. Section 8. Ducks in nature, important helpers. Ducks are more than just pretty faces. These fascinating creatures are integral to maintaining the balance of our natural world. They play a vital role in keeping our ecosystems healthy. Ducks interact with various elements of their habitat, creating a harmonious environment for all. As they swim and dabble in the water, they help control algae and insect populations. This natural behavior is crucial for preventing the overgrowth of algae, which can deplete oxygen levels in the water and harm other aquatic life. This keeps the water clean for other animals. By maintaining a balanced ecosystem, ducks ensure that other species, including fish and amphibians, have a healthy environment to thrive in. Ducks also spread seeds throughout their environment. As they move from place to place, they carry seeds on their feathers and feet, aiding in plant dispersal. They eat seeds in one place and then deposit them elsewhere through their droppings. This natural process helps in the propagation of various plant species, contributing to biodiversity. This helps plants grow in new areas. The spread of seeds by ducks can lead to the growth of new plants in areas that might otherwise remain barren. Farmers have even enlisted the help of ducks for natural pest control. In agricultural settings, ducks are often used to manage pests without the need for chemical interventions. Ducks love to eat slugs, snails, and other garden pests, reducing the need for harmful pesticides. This not only protects the crops, but also ensures that the soil and surrounding environment remain healthy and free from toxic substances. Beyond their ecological benefits, ducks also bring joy to people. Watching ducks in parks and natural reserves can be a delightful experience, fostering a connection between humans and nature. In wetland reserves, ducks contribute to the overall health of the habitat. Their presence indicates a thriving ecosystem, which is essential for the survival of many other species. Ducks are also important indicators of environmental health. Their migratory patterns can signal changes in climate and habitat conditions, providing valuable data for conservation efforts. In conclusion, ducks are indeed important helpers in nature. Their roles in maintaining ecological balance, supporting plant growth, and providing natural pest control are invaluable. Next time you see a duck, remember the significant contributions these wonderful birds make to our world. Section 9. Caring for ducklings, a rewarding experience. Raising ducklings can be a fun and rewarding experience. These little creatures bring joy and a sense of fulfillment to anyone who takes on the responsibility of caring for them. Their playful antics and curious nature can brighten up any day, making the effort well worth it. If you're lucky enough to care for these adorable creatures, here are some essential tips. First and foremost, it's important to understand that ducklings require a lot of attention and care, especially in their early days. They are delicate and need a nurturing environment to thrive. 1. Provide a safe brooder. Ducklings need a warm, dry place to live. A brooder is essentially a heated enclosure that keeps them safe and comfortable. The temperature should be carefully monitored, especially during the first few weeks. A heat lamp can be used to maintain the right temperature, ensuring the ducklings are neither too cold nor too hot. A large plastic tub or kiddie pool makes a great brooder. These can be easily cleaned and provide enough space for the ducklings to move around. It's important to line the bottom with absorbent material, such as straw or wood shavings, to keep the area dry and comfortable. 2. Fresh water is key. Ducks love to swim. Providing them with access to clean fresh water is crucial for their health and happiness. Ducklings enjoy splashing around, and swimming helps them develop strong muscles and coordination. Provide a shallow water dish for drinking and splashing. It's important to change the water frequently to keep it clean. Ducklings can be quite messy, and dirty water can lead to health issues. Make sure the dish is shallow enough for them to easily access, but deep enough for them to enjoy a good splash. Make sure they can easily get in and out. Ducklings are still learning to navigate their environment, and they can easily get stuck or tired if the water dish is too deep or has steep sides. Providing a gentle slope or a small ramp can help them enter and exit the water safely. 3. Nutritious food. Offer a commercially prepared duckling starter feed. This type of feed is specially formulated to meet the nutritional needs of growing ducklings. It contains the right balance of proteins, vitamins, and minerals to support their development. It contains all the nutrients they need to grow. In addition to starter feed, you can also offer small amounts of fresh greens and vegetables as treats. However, it's important to introduce new foods gradually and in moderation to avoid digestive issues. 4. Protect from predators. Keep ducklings safe from cats, dogs, and other potential threats. Ducklings are vulnerable to a variety of predators, so it's essential to provide a secure enclosure that keeps them safe at all times. A secure enclosure is a must. This can be a sturdy pen with a secure top to prevent aerial predators from swooping in. Make sure the enclosure is well constructed and free from gaps or holes that predators could exploit. Once the ducklings are bigger and fully feathered, they can gradually enjoy supervised outings to a pond or backyard. These outings provide them with the opportunity to explore and exercise in a natural environment, which is beneficial for their physical and mental well-being. Always supervise them and make sure they have a safe place to return to. Supervision is crucial to ensure their safety and to prevent them from wandering off or encountering potential dangers. With proper care and attention, raising ducklings can be a truly rewarding experience that brings joy and satisfaction to any caregiver. Section 10. The Circle of Duck Life. From tiny eggs to graceful adult ducks, we've explored the incredible journey of a duck's life cycle. We've seen how they hatch, grow, and learn to navigate their world. What was your favorite part of the duck's life cycle? The hatching day excitement? The duckling's fluffy feathers? Or maybe the beauty of adult ducks gliding across the water? The natural world is full of wonder. I hope this journey inspires you to learn more about the amazing animals that share our planet.